Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Mufsira. My friend name is Nikhat. I am studying 7th class in Jamia ummul qura. Good morning everyone. Today we are here to talk about one of the hottest topics in India right now. Digital safety and social media awareness, a topics that affects not just adults but students like us too.
In today's world, every child has a mobile phone. We use it for studies, entertainment, and sometimes even for time pass. But along benefits, there are dangers hiding inside the digital world.
Yes, in India every day thousands of students face problems like online bullying, fake accounts, misleading information, addition to reels and gaming, sharing personal details without thinking. Issues become very serious, especially for school children.
The biggest mistake many students make is trusting everything they see on social media. Fake news spreads faster than real news. Many students get influenced, confused, or emotionally disturbed.
That's why digital safety is not just important, it is urgent. We must remember three golden rules. Three golden rules. Number 1, think before you click. Number 2, never share personal details. Number 3, if something feels wrong, tell your parents or teachers immediately.
Students should use social media with purpose, not for pressure. We should follow pages that teach us something, not that waste our time or make us feel insecure.
India is discussing this issue seriously because our future depends on how wisely we use technology. Mobile phones are powerful, but our mind must be more powerful than the mobiles.
Let us be the generation that use technology smartly, safely, and responsibly, because a smart student is the one who has a smartphone. A smart student is the one who knows how to use it safely. Thank you. Stay safe, stay smart, and use technology wisely. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.